Hey guys, so today we are actually gonna be taking Jessica's pictures, and I don't know how it's gonna turn out because frankly, she's untested as a model, so it's, we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
I've been on Instagram, does that count?
Honestly, yeah, Instagram model.
I mean, is she signed? No.
I'm not.
But we might get lucky here with a good shot.
You
Honestly,
might, but I can't promise you anything.
It's almost like a charity thing. We're just doing it to make a wish.
Yeah, great. Wow, what a moment.
For the first look, we're gonna be doing something super monochrome. I've been in a very monochrome mood. I like red on red, I like black on black, and that's everything we're doing today.
We're gonna do a beautiful, no makeup look, emphasis on skin. It's very sweaty in here right now, so honestly, she's got
That's
the glow
look
down.
We want that sweaty look.
She's already got it. We don't need to do anything to her face.
The girl from The Ring that like came out of the well, that's such a
Yeah.
look right now in fashion. Like I think these are easily gonna get picked up for like Harper's Bazaar, Elle.
What version of Photoshop are you using for this?
This is here so I can go behind it and just cry softly and nobody will see. It's how I maintain my composure on sets. You just behind here and then just and nobody gets it. No one.
No one can hear. I didn't
Yeah.
hear anything.
Yeah. We were going for like a glossy vibe with the makeup, so the fact that it's 110 degrees in here, it's just helping with that.
And don't worry about the posing. We bought a book and you can just like
You can just show me pictures
Yeah,
and
you
all.
can just
Actually, like, I have a file from another photographer on my phone that I'll just give you as pose ID.
Yeah, we'll just pull
Amazing.
up my Pinterest board.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you sit right there. You wanna keep your chin up.
Okay.
We're gonna get a lot of like awesome shadow underneath here.
Okay.
So basically, whatever you say to your models to get that intense high fashion like vibe, just softly repeat in your head. It's digital, literally nothing matters.
Okay, yeah, that helps.
That's what I repeat every day, is nothing matters.
Oh yeah. Okay. I need to think of something really sad. Okay, when my hard drive stopped working, okay.
You can even like bring that head back.
Yes.
Love that.
Almost face your nose more at the light, yeah. I'm just posing back here with you.
Everyone's like this. Everyone does.
I don't know how you retouch, but Facetune's definitely like my preferred method.
Oh yeah.
You just retain so much skin
You're gonna have
texture
to
and
like,
it
be into
looks...
Facetune, Lightroom, and then Photoshop. Like you're gonna have to go through all three.
Facetune, Lightroom, Capture One, then we're gonna hit it one last time with like, you know, like a Visco filter.
Instagram has taught me so much.
Here, let's turn on the fan and just like pop out some shots real quick.
Fan.
Cool.
Excuse me. Just think of my hard drive and dying cats. Because that makes me sad because I love cats.
Love it. Yeah, chin up with that. So we just finished the first setup. She's still warming up. She's doing okay. She's
Physically and metaphorically warming up. You know what I mean? So did I pass though? Am I passing this class or like just like I need to do extra credit?
I would say currently you're at like a B.
A B, like a B, like a good B?
I do like a B minus, but we still have 2 more looks.
We got
she
2
can
looks.
she can pump that up.
I'm gonna redeem myself.
This is for you, you know?
You know what, Jake? Don't tell me how to feel, okay?
Yeah, we just want you to feel very comfortable, you know?
Well, what if I don't want to feel comfortable?
Cool guys, so we're gonna get into this awesome red fashion shoot.
Wow.
I love the turn. Give us a turn again.
We love a spin.
I've been watching Drig's videos. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
There's no drama here.
There's no drama.
Drama-free zone.
We're not a drama channel.
I love the drama
I
channel.
want to be on the drama channel.
Hit me.
You know what? I'm out of here.
Following up drama video coming
Honestly,
soon.
I can't work with her. She's terrible.
What are you guys
She's-
whispering about?
Nothing, honey. You're
oh
great.
yeah, it's so hot in here, and she keeps us here like forever. We need like released.
It's Sahara in here, and it's her fault.
It is my fault.
Honestly, it's a new photo challenge.
It's a new photo challenge. It's the 100-degree photo challenge. Okay, so we're doing some close-up beauty shots of myself. God bless you. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great.
My teeth are so white. Look at it. It's like glowing.
It says it's firing, but it's not.
Those are the Crest whitening strips.
It's actually really pretty of you, Jess. Stunning.
Thank you.
And so far, these are like the vibe of how it's looking.
Yay, I love those.
He's a legend of coast.
Michael Scott. No. You know that guy that poses quickly? I could be the girl that poses quickly.
Oh my God, do it.
Let's go.
Go.
Killing it. Wow. Are you agency signed as well?
You've killed it.
Okay, so I would love to thank the amazing team today for photographing me. How did I do, guys?
John did all the work.
It's all John.
Yeah, it was all John. Honestly,
Team effort.
I think you did good. I think
Yeah.
you had towards the end you had some great poses. They were very like
Yeah, you really brought it in
Yeah.
the end.
Yeah. It was
Yeah.
definitely like, it was a flower that bloomed. It just got
Yeah.
better
Yeah.
as it went.
Yeah.
I agree.
Can I sun?
And the hotter it got, like the hotter you got, you know?
Ooh, yeah.
Wow, we love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would love to thank the photographer, John Sams.
Thank you.
We love middle school applause.
Golf claps.
Way to bring it home. Way to bring it home.
The amazing makeup artist, Courtney.
Yeah.
All
And
my
last but not least, Drake.
I'm fine with being the least, honestly. Hi, I just like held stuff and I brought that script. Hi.
Do you want us to play God's Plan in the background when we're announcing you?
Oh
Yeah.
my God, yeah.
God's Plan, God's Plan.
I can't pay that copyright though.
I know, so that's why
It
I'm
can be
singing
5
it.
seconds.
Oh, good.
5
Oh,
seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, is that the rule?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna play it. And probably it's gonna end.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures. Oh, and let me know how I did with modeling, by the way. Let me
Yeah.
know how my modeling was.
Yeah.
Be
But
nice.
positive.
Yeah, think positive.
If you're a hater, go hate somewhere else. Go hate on my channel.
No
Yeah,
hate
please
here.
leave
Just
all
go to
your
John's
hate.
channel.
Please leave all your hate in my DMs. I'll gladly take that. I'll
Well-
take any attention that's available.
Drake sees the
Yeah, I'll take all the hate in my DMs. Thanks.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Can we get the fan on? I don't like this service. I'm not doing this photo shoot. if We're not.
Can't
gonna
work
have
under
it.
these
We're
conditions.
trying to build up your natural glows. You're just gonna have to deal with it. Look, I don't do well with bad models on set, okay?
You know what? I am signed with Instagram. I don't
Oh.
appreciate this type of.
Did you get retweets? Retweets, reposts,
At least 5 per tweet.
refollows?
At least 5.
Wow.
And I get 10 likes on each comment.
Wow. Actually, that's pretty impressive. I get like 10 likes a photo.
I don't want
I
to look
like
like that
that.
lady from Wizard of Oz, the one under the house,
I mean, why not?
because she's a witch.
Style icon. I mean, I'm sorry, you're in almost a floor-length black gown saying you don't want to look like a witch right now.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's get my broom.
Okay, definitely.